Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a radiator fan assembly in a 2002 Volvo V70 non-turbo. It's fundamentally the same for model years 2001 through 2007 of the V70 non-turbo and S60 non-turbo. For this repair, you're going to need a 10mm socket wrench, some wire cutters, a pair of pliers, and some zip ties. Remove the air intake hose from above the radiator and then from the bottom of the air box. Attached to the radiator, there will be two connectors, one to the radiator fan control unit, and then another one that goes to an evap purge valve. You're going to want to cut all of the zip ties that keep those cables and connectors to it, and then pull them out of the way. Remove the 10mm screw that holds the evap purge valve to the front end. Locate the two 10mm screws, one on either side, that hold the radiator in. I'll fast forward as I take those two out. Plastic clip that holds the power steering line to the dipstick tube. Remove the evap valve from the radiator fan. Pull the purge hose off the top of the radiator fan and just set that at the side, and then start to jiggle the radiator fan up and out and see if it gets caught on anything. If it does, just move those things out of the way. Go ahead and put a little pressure against that power steering line to move it forward or towards the engine so that you get a little bit more room to get the radiator fan out. And then it's just a matter of positioning it correctly, and you'll see when you look down inside where the obstacles are, but it's pretty straightforward. Just keeping that power steering line out of the way and pulling it up past the radiator fan control module and then up and out. Here we're showing you the two tabs on the bottom of the radiator fan and then where they sit on the radiator itself, and those are going to need to slide in. Going back in with the radiator fan, just want to make sure I don't pinch any wires, keep everything out of the way. Go in with maybe the right side first, get it around the transmission lines, and then go ahead in and get it past the power steering line. Make sure that you keep the harnesses out of the way because they will make it harder for you to get it in there. And I'm just going to fast forward as I finish putting that in. Put the coolant purge hose that runs along the top of the radiator fan shroud back in place before you put that purge valve back in. Then screw in that 10mm that holds it in. From there you can go ahead and start to zip tie back the harnesses and connectors that go along the fan shroud. And I'll fast forward as I reconnect everything and zip tie it back into place. Install the two bolts that hold the radiator fan to the radiator assembly in the upper corners. I'll fast forward as I go ahead and do that. Go ahead and reinstall the clip that went on the oil dipstick tube and plug your or put your power steering line back in. If you pulled your dipstick out, go ahead and put that in, and then reconnect the air intake pipe.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.